Ki khubor ka Bthei TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagmenta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka buy admission ka badunatam but she's pa percent ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
ka Israel kala therbom ha ki Jaka ki ba ka Iran kadang pen khre pan Shna ki nuclear bomb ha ka bala yo I ka jing Bthei ka bashir khai ha ka ne ka Jaka but ya ka ne ka jing herthma ha Iran ka Israel kala ikrteng da ka operation rising lion ka Israel kala karan shai ba ka ne ka jing herthma ka dei ban khanglan ya ka Iran pa kan Shna ki nuclear bomb namar bala da kala ban Shna ki nuclear bomb kan bu jing mai ke Israel namar bakala kenno badai ke Iran ke bakersyan bad baiting kai ki leno ban ya khon persya ke Israel kala kenno ru badai ke Iran ke baiting kai ke Hamas ban herthma ha Israel kila don ki khubor ki bla ong bahakani ke jing herthma u chief of staff jangka armed forces jangka Iran u Muhammad Bagheri ulayap
ساعت الان 3:37 دقیقه
For years, the Iranian regime has called for the destruction of the state of Israel, planning and advancing concrete military plans to do so. Over the past few months, intelligence has shown that Iran is closer than ever to obtaining a nuclear weapon. This morning, the IDF began preemptive and precise strikes targeting the Iranian nuclear program in order to prevent the Iranian regime's ability to build a nuclear bomb in the immediate time frame. We have no choice. We are operating against an imminent and existential threat. We cannot allow the Iranian regime to obtain a nuclear weapon that would be a danger to Israel and the entire world. This operation is for our right to exist here, for our future and for our children's future. The State of Israel has the right and the obligation to operate in order to protect its people and will continue to do so. The IDF conducted significant preparations for this operation. We are well prepared both in defense and offense to defend ourselves. The IDF will continue to defend the State of Israel.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.